Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Francesca. If this is your first time here, please consider joining my YouTube family and press that subscribe button down below and the notification bell next to it so that you're notified when I put new content out every week regarding luxe life and anything girly. So guys, it's been a minute. I have been so busy with the move. I know I talked about possibly vlogging and taking you guys with me through the experience, but it turned out to be a lot. I'm not sure if you guys are familiar with the current housing market, but it was insane. So I basically had to sell my house in Ohio, and it sold in about 12 hours, and buy a house in Texas, sight unseen. Just buy it because everything was getting sold so quickly. So I just had to trust my gut and the builder that it was, you know, the house that I was gonna want. And I'm here now, unpacked, and I love it. So for today's video, I wanted to kind of do a reveal because this is one of the bags that I've been looking for, and I'm not sure if I mentioned it on my wish list. I'll have to rewatch that and see if I mentioned it, but it's been one of the pieces that I've been looking for. It's not a brand new item, and I'm so glad I found one in a pretty good condition. So you guys know it's a Louis Vuitton bag. I purchased this one from Tradesy. That was my first time purchasing from that shop, consignment shop, I guess. I don't even know what you would call that shop because it's basically connecting other sellers like Poshmark and a buyer. So we had, I was able to purchase this item for less than $1,000. If you look on eBay right now, it's selling for a whole lot more. And the reason I was able to purchase it lower was because, number one, I had a coupon from Tradesy because it was my first purchase. I was able to get like $100 off or $150 off. And in addition to that, I asked the seller if she was willing to, lower the price a bit. So this is the bag. There you go. There. So guys, this is the Louis Vuitton Judy PM. I love this bag. This is my only Murakami piece, and the only reason I even gravitated towards this bag is that one of my friends have it, Jazz. I'll link her Instagram down below. She does a lot of mod shots and kind of outfit ideas for you guys on Instagram. She's a good follow, so please follow her on Instagram. But she has two of these. She has the white one and the black one. And when I started looking for this bag, I knew that I wanted the white one because I have a lot of darker bags. As you know, I do love more of the Louis Vuitton type bags. So I have Monogram and the Damier Ebene bags, and I don't have a lot of light bags. I have the Noe BB in Empreinte Cream, and basically this bag now that's in a more lighter sense. This bag was made in France. Let me show you the condition real quick. So it has Pochette on the bottom. So this leather piece and this leather piece look pretty good. It doesn't really have any watermarks on here. And then this top leather piece over there, it has a little bit of a nick there. And then it has a watermark right there. Unless you're so up close, you don't really notice it. And then on the other side, it looks pretty good. This is more just the darkening. It's not a watermark. But the Pochette itself, I've already conditioned it. It feels much healthier now. When I first got it, it was a bit dry. And then the inside itself is very clean. And then it has a felt inside. It's red. It has one pocket in the front. Oh, and this must be when they still had the brown boxes. I didn't get the box for this bag. And let's see. I can't really, I'll take a photo of the date code and insert it in the photo for you guys. But I think it's in one of the pockets and I don't kind of want to stretch it out. But the reason why I really was gravitating towards this bag is because of the top handle. And I've used it, you guys. It's been a great bag for me because it is in that perfect shoulder trend right now that we have, those little bags. So it has been a great, bag for me to use every day. Obviously, she has Boite, so I can't really use her when it's raining. So this bag, you do have to check the weather before you leave. I haven't had any color transfer on the white part of the canvas. And I can tell you I wasn't really thinking about my outfits for that. I did spray this bag already with Apple Guard and it didn't damage the bag, but so far so good. I love it. Oops. So far so good. I love it. I think I got it for 900 something plus or minus taxes. So it was still less than $1,000. There's one on Poshmark that's in amazing condition. Well, from the photos, right? Because we don't know until we get them. And it was like $1,800. So I knew I wanted the bag, but I also knew that I wasn't gonna spend more than $1,000 for it. So that was my goal. I started looking for this bag about 6 months ago, I would say. And I was able to take a photo of me and Jass's black bag. I'll insert a photo over here. And we have our friend Maricel also has the same bag. So now we're triplets on this bag. And I don't know, I don't try to, gravitate towards things that other people have, but I really do like the bag. So much so that I tried to convince them to sell me their bags. Love you girls. All right, so I'm gonna include some quick mod shots of this bag for you guys and let me know what you think. One thing about these bags from that era, you guys, that I've noticed is that the hardware feels so much more substantial than the current bags that they have. I feel like the bags that they have now kind of have a plasticky feel. I mean, this is heavy, like it's clanking and it's heavy. And I feel like there are some areas that I can brazzo, but otherwise it's still very shiny. I do need to clean up the hardware a bit, but it still looks great for, her age. So guys, that's what this bag looks like on me. I am 5'4" and about 115 pounds. What I love about this bag is like I'm wearing a dress right now and you can dress it up, and then I've also worn it very casually. I think the Murakami kind of gives off a casual vibe as well. So it really gives me that 2000 moment. So guys, thank you for joining me for today's video. There are a few unboxing and reveals coming out because I've kind of bought a few things here and there since I've gone through my move. One of the items I purchased from a friend, but I had it on a payment plan, so it wasn't something that I purchased before the move. And I also got something else to celebrate my new job here in Texas. So watch out for those videos. It's so good to just film and talk to you guys again. Let me know what you think about this bag. if you have any questions, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you and have a blessed day.